Okay, how are we doing, tycoons? So for today's video, I am going to be giving you guys a walkthrough basically on the indicators and studies that I use when scalping and day trading, and also how to set them up and what particular ways I have them set up. Okay, so we'll look here. All right, this purple line is going to be the VWAP. This yellow line is going to be the 9-day exponential moving average, and this orange line is going to be the 21-day exponential moving average, okay? So if you're using Thinkorswim, what you would do is you would come up here to your studies, and you would hit edit studies, all right? And all of this would be blank. What you're going to do is we're going to add the VWAP, okay? So you go here, you type VWAP, all right? You pull that up, hit add selected, okay? And as you see, it's going to pull that over there. And we're just going to take this back out of here, okay? Because we already have the VWAP in there. Now to get it the way that I have it, all right, what you have to do is you have to go to settings. You have to go to upper band and then unselect show plot, and then go to lower band and unselect show plot, okay? And that's going to leave you with just the purple VWAP, all right? And then I leave it at the standard settings, -2 day, all right? And then we have the 9-day EMA. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to settings, okay? And we're going to change the length of it to 9, because that's the EMA. That's the length that we want. Because we want the 9 EMA, all right? And the color, I have it changed to yellow. That's the color that I use for this particular strategy, okay? And then we have our 21-day EMA right here. So it's the same thing. We'll change this to 21 days instead of 9. And then we'll go here to the color and we'll make this one orange. All right, and we'll hit OK. And then we have the volume average. So basically you just go over here, type volume. Okay. Boom. And add selected. Okay. And then I use the default settings on this one to 50. Okay. And then I use the RSI. Okay. And the RSI, you'll go to settings, and basically just leave these at the default. Okay. What I do like to do actually, and I'll go ahead and do it, but for some reason I don't have it set up right now, is when it's oversold, okay, I like to change the line from yellow to red. And then when it's overbought, I like to change it from red or from yellow to green. Okay. And so that'll go ahead and you'll go ahead and hit apply. And if you want to save this study, you can hit save as set, and then it'll save it as a new study set for you guys. Okay. Because if you see here, you can look, I have multiple different studies saved already. Okay. So with that being said, those are how you get my layouts. Those are my studies that I use, and these are effective for scalping and day trading on the 5-minute chart mostly. I like to use a 5-minute for this. And the way you use these is VWAP is going to be your indicator. When it's trading above it, it means it's bullish. When it's trading below it, it means it's bearish. And then these EMAs are going to be either support and resistance depending on what side of it you're trading. Okay. So as you can see here, it bounced off the yellow EMA, bounced off the orange EMA, trading below it now, bouncing off the orange EMA, orange EMA, orange EMA. Then we break below this orange EMA and our yellow EMA crosses. And now this is resistance for us. So now every time it gets close to it and it tries to come up here, it's going to be resistance, push it back down, resistance, push it back down, until you see these two EMAs squeeze together again. And once the yellow one crosses the orange, then it's another indicator of change of direction, okay? And then it gets rejected off the VWAP, as you can see here, bounce off the EMAs. So these are just helpful for, basically if you have these on and let's say you got short on Blink right here, and you're short and you're watching it come down and you see this green candle, but you see that it closes below the EMA, you can feel confident still, okay? You can feel good. You are, okay, well, hey, this thing is trying to pull back, but it's respecting my EMAs right now, so the trend is still bearish, all right? So it's really good at just helping you visualize the trend and kind of knowing maybe some bounce points where it should be bouncing. And as long as it's not crossing and the EMAs aren't crossing and things like that, then your trade is going to according to plan, all right? So this is the one of many studies that I use. When I first started off day trading and scalping, this was pretty much all I was using, and it helped me out a lot in the beginning. So I think that it could possibly help you guys as well. If you guys think that this was helpful, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? I make daily videos, weekly videos. I'm dropping tutorials, I'm doing stock analysis. So if you have any requests, go ahead and let me know in the comments below as well. And I'll go ahead and try to get to your request as soon as possible, all right? Thank you guys for watching, and I'm out.